Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Bluetooth headphones, specifically for work meetings. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is crucial, and the right headphones can make all the difference. So, why Bluetooth headphones for work meetings? Well, they offer incredible convenience. No more tangled wires or being tethered to your desk. You get freedom of movement, which can significantly enhance your comfort and productivity throughout the day. Whether you're pacing during a brainstorming session or multitasking, Bluetooth headphones let you do it seamlessly. They also usually come with great noise cancellation features, which helps you block out distractions. They make sure you and your voice are clearly heard by everyone on the call. Let's talk about the key features you should look for. First, consider the sound quality. Clear audio is non-negotiable for professional meetings. Look for headphones with good sound isolation to minimize background noise. Microphone quality is also critical. Ensure the headphones have a built-in microphone that effectively captures your voice, ensuring clear communication. Next, the comfort. You might be wearing these headphones for hours, so comfort is a must. Consider the design over-ear, on-ear, or in-ear. Over-ear headphones often offer the best noise cancellation and comfort, but can be bulkier. On-ear headphones are typically more compact, while in-ear headphones are the most portable. Consider the materials, too. Look for soft ear cups and a comfortable headband. Then there's battery life. Long meetings demand long battery life. Check the manufacturer's specifications for talk time and standby time. Consider quick charge features, too, for a fast power boost when you're running low. Ease of use is another important factor. The pairing process should be simple and quick. The headphones should have intuitive controls for volume adjustment, call answering, and muting. Multi-device connectivity is a great feature, allowing you to easily switch between your computer and your smartphone. Also, think about noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation, or ANC, can be a game changer in noisy environments. It uses microphones to detect ambient noise and cancels it out, providing a more focused listening experience. Even without ANC, look for headphones with good passive noise isolation. As for the design, choose headphones that fit your style and needs. Consider the weight and size, especially if you plan to wear them for extended periods. Consider the build quality as well. Durable headphones will last longer and withstand the rigors of daily use. Finally, the price is important. Bluetooth headphones are available at a wide range of price points. Determine your budget and look for headphones that offer the best value for your money. Read reviews and compare features to make an informed decision. So, to recap, when selecting Bluetooth headphones for work meetings, prioritize sound quality, microphone performance, comfort, battery life, ease of use, noise cancellation, design, and, of course, the price. With the right pair of headphones, you can boost your productivity, enhance your communication, and create a more professional experience during work meetings. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Bluetooth headphones, specifically for those crucial work meetings. In today's work environment, clear communication is everything, and the right headphones can make or break your productivity and professionalism. We will focus on key aspects to consider when selecting Bluetooth headphones tailored for meetings. First up, let's talk about sound quality. Crystal clear audio is non-negotiable. Look for headphones with excellent microphone quality to ensure your voice is heard loud and clear. Noise cancellation is another key feature. This can significantly reduce distracting background noises, such as keyboard clicks or nearby conversations, allowing you to focus on the meeting. Active noise cancellation ANC is the most effective. Pay attention to the frequency response to ensure a balanced and natural sound. Next, let's consider comfort and fit. If you're going to wear headphones for several hours during meetings, comfort is paramount. Over-ear headphones often offer better comfort for extended use due to their larger ear cups and padding. On-ear headphones can be a good compromise, but make sure they don't squeeze your ears too tightly. In-ear headphones are compact but might cause discomfort after a while. Make sure you consider the different ear tip sizes that work best for your ears. Weight is another factor. Lightweight headphones reduce fatigue. Now, let's look at battery life and connectivity. Long battery life is essential. Look for headphones that provide at least 8 hours of talk time. Quick charging capabilities can also be a lifesaver. Ensure the headphones use Bluetooth 5.0 or higher for stable and reliable connections. Check for multi-point pairing, which allows you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously, such as your laptop and smartphone. Finally, think about extra features. Built-in voice assistants, such as Siri or Google Assistant, can be helpful for hands-free control. Controls on the headphones, like volume adjustment and mute buttons, can make your life easier. Consider the microphone placement and wind resistance, especially if you take calls outdoors. Water resistance is a bonus, protecting your headphones from accidental spills. So, when selecting Bluetooth headphones for work meetings, prioritize sound quality, comfort, battery life, and connectivity. Don't forget to consider extra features that might improve your overall experience. With the right pair of headphones, your work meetings will become more productive and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.